Okay, here's the DC8AP air-operated press in our slightly messy testing area over here. And as you can see, we have bottom heat. We've added bottom heat to this press, as well as the standard top heat control. There's your temperature, there's your time. That's your main timer, and this is your secondary timer. You'll notice that we have a longer time up here and a shorter time set down there. And let me just show you how it works. And this is our completely separate wiring, a totally custom box that actually controls the whole cool down circuit. So basically what I'm going to do is, right now you can't see it, but the fan is on back here. This cooling fan is on, cooling down these platens. And when I switch this off and back on again, that allows the temperature to come back on the press. I'll walk through how it runs. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to activate this press, and the press just closed together. Your timers are counting down. Both timers are counting down, if you can see that. And right now this is on, but the green light is not on. So what will happen is at the end of this timing cycle, this timer just finished, this green light just turned on, which means your fan just came on, and the relays, the dual relays in here, just cut off both heaters. So now both of your heaters are off and the fan is on during the overall timing cycle. The press just opened up because this timer finished, but you'll notice the fan is still on and the heater is still cut off. So the heat is still cut off. I'll walk you through that one more time since the timers were pretty quick. And the only way to reset this, to turn the heat back on, because the heat is off right now, is to manually switch off this circuit and then reactivate it. And that allows you to let this cool off for however much time, so you don't have to be present. We'll walk you through this operation again. We have our main overall pressing time. We have our heat shut off, fan on time. All right, so at the end of this time, the heat is shut off, the fan is turned on, but this will continue to count down and keep this pressed during that time. And of course you can set this for 59 minutes, 99 minutes, 59 seconds, or you can change it to hours and minutes, so you could do 99 hours and 59 minutes. It's all adjustable. So I'll activate this press with the twin hand activate buttons. Tough to do with the camera. Both timers are counting down. When this timer is finished, your heat cutoff and your cool down fan will turn on. Okay, so at this time just elapsed, green light came on, fan came on. That means the heat is cut off, the cool down cycle is on, but we're still pressing for this top time amount. So we're still pressing, and now it opened up. So at the end of the timing, the press opens up, the fan remains on, the heat remains cut off. The heat is still shut off until we reactivate this, and that allows your fan to turn off. The heat is now going to start heating back up again. Hope that explains it, and that way you have a manual way of controlling, and that means the heat will always be cut off when the green light is on, and you have to manually reset to allow the heat to come back on. So it doesn't start heating up sometime without your realizing it.